Easy trading is everywhere. Disciplined trading is rare. And platforms quietly shape which one you become. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks, such as price volatility and market risks. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. The role of structure in trading is very important for influence user behavior. Overloaded interface encourage impulsive decisions, and clear structure deliberate trading. And that's what Kraken platform focuses on. Kraken has core trading functionality over gimmicks. It has broad market access across major assets. Kraken offers you tools that are designed around execution and not just entertainment. And how this affects users? It encourages planning instead of constant action. You have fewer distractions around short-term hype, and this is better fit for strategy-based traders. Kraken offers simplicity, education, and service. With Kraken, you can earn weekly rewards on crypto that are available on different assets. Really good APRs based on the project you choose. You can trade both spot and margin all in one powerful and simple interface. And who benefits from this the most? Number one, traders who care about consistency. Number two, users that are managing larger or long-term positions. Number three, anyone prioritizing control over excitement. You have low spreads, deep liquidity across markets, which allows you to easily trade large volumes at stable prices and high rate limits. Kraken is known for conservative product rollout. It has strong emphasis on operational stability, and it is respected by experienced market participants. And they offer multiple services for the needs of any trader or investor. Whether you want to invest, you have smart investing made easy. You can buy, sell crypto, you can convert, send payments, earn rewards, even buy stocks, all through the Kraken platform. And if you're a trader, you have tools for advanced traders, simplify DeFi, and you can even trade their capital. Choose platforms that push you towards better habits. Over time, discipline compounds more than any feature. Click the link down in the description and create your account on Kraken today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have. And thank you so much and see you in the next video.